Basta mga boss, ito na $1,000 airdrop giveaway guys. Napakalaki nito, 20 random winners madidistribute, no? B-Rise. Guys, follow nyo lang DTC Group, Big Jerk Bryce. Okay, join kayo sa kanilang Telegram, no? Lilink ko tong post na to sa description below. Like, retweet, no? And kung titingnan nyo dito guys, 1,000 airdrop yan, 20 winners. And guys, ito na nga yung website ng bidger.com. Sobrang exciting nito dahil top level security at of course mabilis yung pag-grow ng ecosystem na to. Kung gusto nyo malaman bakit okay to at kung bakit kino-consider ko to na okay talaga compared sa mga ibang crypto projects, para malaman nyo rin kung ano advantages nito, mga boss. Sige, samahan nyo ako, boss. Let's go!
Denjo Capital Master on YouTube. NFT Master.
Curious, maybe you should take it slow. We're dreaming in the dark. We are nothing more than dust. You search but you stay lost. We're reaching for the stars. We're making this to
So ito mga boss, itong Bidger na to, ito yung fastest and most scalable BRC20 blockchain with zero gas fees and 100k TPS, bringing the gap between blockchain and real world applications. And ang maganda dito mga boss, yung B-Rise second anniversary din nila, no, with over 10 upcoming CX listings. At of course meron silang Budget Pay B-Rise dito. Yung Budget Pay B-Rise mga boss, yan yung na nag-optimize na cash flow between users, businesses, decentralized yan, DEX, no? And ayan na nga, no, meron pa silang detailed white paper for developers. And kung titignan nyo dito guys, pwede kayo mag-build, no? For developers talaga yan. So very nice talaga to guys. And kung titignan nyo dito, meron staking, no? Pwede kayo mag-stake, NFTs, DeFi. At mga boss, meron B-Rise swap na. Pwede kayo mag-swap BRC20 blockchain. Meron Bidger wallet, no? Pwede kayo mag-swap, audit. Okay, and exclusive airdrop kayo pinakita ko kanina. So grabe talaga, napakalaking potential nito guys. Kung titignan nyo yung kanilang Twitter, okay, ayos na ayos talaga yan guys, no? Ayan na nga, no? So Bidger, follow natin sila. Okay, second anniversary schedule nila guys. Napakalaking potential talaga nito. And of course guys, don't forget to follow DTC Group din, no? So grabe talaga yung DTC Group. Ang dami na lang mga bagong mga text listings din, no, na kailangan nyo tingnan. Of course, stay updated din sa kanila mga boss, no? Especially yung DTC Telegram nila, no? Check nyo yan. So, napakaraming mga updates, okay? Ayan guys, no? So, pwede nyo open yan. And then, ayan na mga boss, no? So, grabe talaga. So far so good to guys. Abangan natin listing nito. Okay, so na-audit na rin yung kanilang smart contract. And ito na kay B-Rise, no? Titignan nyo yung chart. Okay, pwede natin tingnan yan, silipin natin para at least may idea kayo. Ayan, so very nice chart. Ito yung DTC Group, no? As you can see, makikita nyo dyan yung mga latest whitelist, giveaways, yung mga launch CX listing. Kaya dapat mag-update din kayo dito. Okay, no? Okay ito, no? Especially yung DAO Starter. Ayan, yung Bidger na nireview nga natin. Okay, so trending nga sila guys. As you can see yung B-Rise, para at least aware kayo guys, no, sa mga nangyayari sa latest crypto events. Ayan, highly recommended to DTC Group talaga. Sila boss Hakubi, ayan. So guys, kung titignan nyo, napakadaming mga launches dito, AMAs, ayan, makikita nyo dyan yung mga updates, no. So perfect time talaga na mag-check kayo dito. And legit na legit talaga yung mga yan guys, no. Titignan nyo, docs na docs sila, no. So yun lang advice ko guys, no, kung papasok kayo dito, yung token nila, invest nyo yung kayo nyo mawala. And okay na okay siya para sa akin. Malaking potential kasi na-screen na yung mga yan, mga malalaking class ng token yan, hindi yung mga nagpa-pump dump lang. So which is very nice. It has big potential token, B-Rise, and it will sustain for long term hopefully. And it is backed up by big partners and developers as well. So kung developer ka, pwede mo rin check yung Bidger nila para pwede kang adapt dun sa kanilang ecosystem. So, which is very nice, guys. Okay, so yung DTC Group, Web3 Incubator and Agency, nag-help to ng skill ng Web3 projects since 2020. Ang daming KOLs, communities, partners, and project promotions yan. So, which is very nice. Dando Capital Master, the NFT King #1 player and NFT game coach in the world with this featured review. Okay sa akin to, pwede na kayo bumili ng token, B-Rise, malaking potential yan, guys. And join guys sa DTC Group and sa mga Telegram groups nila, follow nyo sila social media, guys.